A story begins with a racist judge insulting a black woman in court. The incident unfolds with the judge making derogatory comments, leading to a tense courtroom atmosphere. The judge's words are not only hurtful but also reflect a deep-seated bias that undermines the principles of justice. Shortly after, the black woman is arrested by the judge herself, raising serious questions about judicial bias and abuse of power. The arrest sparks outrage among civil rights groups and legal observers, who demand accountability and call for investigations into the judge's behavior. The incident highlights systemic racism within the judiciary, referencing similar cases where judges have faced scrutiny for racist remarks. For instance, there have been cases like that of Louisiana Judge Michelle Audinette, who faced backlash for using racial slurs, or Michigan Judge Kathleen Ryan, who was criticized for her handling of a case involving racial tensions. These cases underscore the need for greater diversity and sensitivity training within the judicial system. As the news of the arrest spreads, community leaders and activists rally around the black woman, arguing that her arrest was unjust and motivated by racial prejudice. They point out that the judge's actions not only violated ethical standards but also eroded public trust in the legal system. The situation calls for a thorough examination of judicial conduct and the implementation of reforms to prevent such incidents in the future. The story concludes with the current status of the judge and the arrested woman, emphasizing the need to address racism in judicial institutions. It highlights the importance of ensuring that justice is served equally and without prejudice, and that those who violate these principles are held accountable. Ultimately, the incident serves as a reminder of the ongoing struggle for racial equality and justice in the United States. Furthermore, the case raises broader questions about the role of judges in society and their responsibility to uphold the law impartially. It also brings attention to the challenges faced by black individuals in the justice system, where they often encounter bias and discrimination. The need for systemic change is clear, and this incident could serve as a catalyst for reform. In addition, the incident prompts discussions about the impact of racism on mental health and well-being. The emotional toll on the black woman and her family is significant, and it underscores the importance of providing support and resources to those affected by such incidents. Community organizations and advocacy groups are stepping up to offer assistance, emphasizing the importance of solidarity and collective action in the face of injustice. The story serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of accountability and transparency in the judicial system. It highlights the need for ongoing dialogue and education about racism and its effects, both within the legal community and in society at large. As the community continues to grapple with the aftermath of this incident, there is a growing call for systemic change and a renewed commitment to justice and equality for all. Moreover, the incident has sparked a national conversation about judicial accountability and the need for reforms that ensure judges are held to high ethical standards. This includes proposals for increased oversight, mandatory diversity training, and stricter penalties for judges who engage in racist behavior. The goal is to create a judicial system that is fair, equitable, and free from bias. The community's response to the incident also highlights the power of collective action and activism. Local protests and rallies have drawn attention to the issue, with participants demanding justice for the black woman and calling for broader reforms. Social media campaigns have further amplified the message, using hashtags to raise awareness and mobilize support. As the legal proceedings unfold, there is a growing sense of anticipation and concern. The outcome of the case will not only determine the fate of the black woman, but also send a message about the seriousness with which the legal system addresses racism. If handled properly, this incident could mark a turning point in the fight against judicial racism, setting a precedent for accountability and reform. In conclusion, The story of the racist judge and the black woman's arrest serves as a stark reminder of the challenges faced by marginalized communities in the justice system. It underscores the need for systemic change, community solidarity, and ongoing advocacy to ensure that justice is truly blind and equal for all. The incident will continue to resonate, serving as a catalyst for discussions about racism, justice, and the role of the judiciary in upholding the principles of equality and fairness. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more stories like this, be sure to subscribe and follow us.